Hi, friends. Are you trading Created Inc. CRTD stock? Do you want some CRTD stock technical analysis right now that might help you make a little bit more money if you're trading this extremely volatile stock? My name's Rocky Outcrop. All I'm asking for you to do, all you've got to do right now is hit a like button. Hitting the like button on this video lets me know that you want more content like this. Nice, short, snappy videos that let you know what's going on with the charts. This is CRTD. Like I say, my name's Rocky Outcrop. Big yellow circle highlighting the key areas for us to be aware of on this stock right now, CRTD stock. So what are they and what are the main concerns for us? For me, I'm actually asking, are we going to drop back down? Are we going to drop back down to a lower level? Let me show you that one right here, right now. You can see it's starting to come up with these drawings on the chart. I'll hide everything else off so you can see exactly what it is that I am looking at and zoom on in and everything so you get to see it nice and easy on your screen. So you'll be asking, what is that? Well, that thing there, what I'm looking at is this purple shaded area, and there's a line there showing where the prices could go back down to. So we'll just zoom in so you can see that again a bit clearer. Zooming on in, it's this area right here that I'm asking about, and the price target on it is $2.46. Could we go there? This indicator that I've got does tend to work to the penny, so that's an interesting one for us to be aware of if you're trading that. That's called the Rocky Outcrop Flash. Okay, over here, what we have are the prices haven't moved up quite a bit into what's known as an island, and that's the whole area circled in yellow. On the 4-hour time frame, you can't see so clearly what that pattern is, that little wedge that I've got drawn on in there. But you can see the volatility of this stock very, very clearly. That big gap that happened today, having obviously had a lot of downward price action so far on it during the day. Going down to the 1 hour, you get to see a lot better. This doesn't have any touches on it, that wedge though. So you start to think, is this necessarily valid? 15-minute time frame. There is I would like to entertain debates as to whether or not this is valid. This wedge that I've got here. Not really. I don't feel happy about it. But you could make arguments as to whether or not we're coming in to go for a retest of this thing right now. I don't like it that much, so I'm going to just get rid of it. But if you are looking at this sort of wedge, then you've got a target which does take you past the previous highs, and that would be up towards $9. And I do think that we can get there. I just have questions as to whether or not we need to go there first before doing some sort of consolidation. So if we are doing that little bit of consolidation right here, right now, my targets are going to be back down to the 236 Fibonacci retracement point. I'll just show you real quick. I've got a Fibonacci in here, which is, of course, important for us. And the first part of it is that 236. The next part of it for us after the 236 to look to is the golden pocket. These are the two key areas that I'm looking for. So you can see these two serrated lines here going that way, and this one serrated line going that way. Those are our main targets in terms of this little area just here. So I'll just show you right now over here. That's what I'm looking at and asking questions with that hands pointing down to. If we go down to that area, then that would be doing what's known in harmonics as a little gartley, just in that region, just there, a little gartley on the charts. Now it's hard for you to see exactly how this would work, but going between these points here actually would line up as a gartley, giving you a target in here at what would be the 786 Fibonacci retracement between those 2 points there. And if I just show you what that actually is on the charts, that means that you may aiming up maybe perhaps the 638 on the contingency that any retraces that we have do go down to 480 or so, but don't go any lower than that. Now, if we sit where we are just now, you're going to be asking questions about whether or not the momentum remains with us on the day. Just simply put, the chances of us going down and testing that area are quite high at 488, as that's where the 50 simple period moving average is. I'll leave the rest of the trading with you. I do try to make it quite clear in my analysis that I have at any one given time one big target. Whether or not we move there immediately or not will come down to the TA that represents that particular region. You know, the TA dictating that zone. So on this stock, the current target that I have is down at 246. I know. However, I am bullish on this in the longer term as well. And in the shorter term, I think that there could be some movements that are quite tradable up and around it. I hope that helps. This is designed to be integrated with your own technical analysis. It's not perfect, but it should be very good. And I would encourage you to take part in this community that we have here, because there's so many people. Actually, while I float here in the abyss of black empty space, there's actually thousands and thousands and thousands of really excellent traders that have got my back and have got all of your back too. Big thanks to everybody who knows who they are as part of that group. There's thousands of you. All the first followers, I'm your crazy dancing guy. Come back again and tune in for another one of these shows. My name's been Rocky Outcrop. I'll be back again with